There we go. Another Supreme Clean dryer vent cleaning services. And we know this thing is blowing all the way. Now you can hear it all the way cleaned out now.